guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cora. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you...
I accidentally walked in.
I'm hungry. Okay, anyways, so for today's video, I'm gonna give you finally the full reveal of my room. So I'm gonna be doing dorm room tour, whatever you want to call it. I'm really proud of my room this year. Last year, I didn't really think it was that cute. It was like, okay, but I didn't really try that hard. And this year, I didn't really try like really hard, but I just like the way it turned out. Me and my roommate both have like really similar styles. So I just feel like we really meshed together and the room looks really well put together. Yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys my room and that's it. So let's just get on into it. Okay, what do I say? Hey guys, welcome to my door. What am I supposed to say? Like, actually. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Hey guys, welcome to my dorm room. I don't know what else to say. Is that creepy? Okay, let's just get it. Okay, so if you guys have watched my channel since last year, I lived in a dorm last year and I still live in a dorm now, but now I live in like a pod is what it's called. So basically we have our own bathroom and our own vanity, and there's 2 bedrooms in here. So I still share a room with my roommate Kennedy, who's filming this right now. Basically it's different than last year. It's not just like a regular dorm room, but I'm just gonna show you guys quickly like what the entire pod looks like, and then we'll go into my actual dorm room, which is like the more interesting part. Okay, anyways, this is my front door that we just walked into. Once you walk in the front door, it kind of opens up to this big vanity area. You're gonna be able to see you. Can you see you? No, not right now. Okay, basically this is just the vanity, so we have a sink right here, and then we have all of our toothbrushes and toothpaste and retainers, everything like that. Put this right here, and it just has like all of our dishes and stuff we wash our dishes with. Then we have this huge mirror, which is like my favorite part ever, and like the lighting is really good when you're doing your makeup and stuff, so that's like my favorite part. Okay, and now we'll move on over to the bathroom. So this is the front door that you guys can't see, and then we just have some lights right here, and this is the bathroom. It's not very interesting, but like I said, I just thought I'd show you guys real quick. So we have a sink, and then we have a shower. It's the loudest thing. We just have all of our shower stuff on there, and then just this, and the toilet, and that's it. So we're over that. And then right here, this is like the walkway, so like the doors right behind you guys, you can't see. We have 3 mini fridges, we're like super extra. We eat like a lot of food, so we have like blenders, whatever. You guys don't care about that stuff, just basically mini fridges and microwave, and that's it. Now this is my roommate's room. We're not gonna go in there, but basically this is it. This is their room. I don't want to go in there because they're not here right now. Now we'll go into my room. Okay, so now this is me and Kennedy's room. Kennedy's the one behind the camera. Okay, so right when you walk in to my room, this is the closet area. Right above me, we have these flowers, which I think they're from Hobby Lobby. Kennedy, my roommate, she bought them, they're hers. And then we have this right here, which this is Kennedy's side. This is her dresser right here. This is my necklaces, then hers. This is her schedule. These are from Walmart. So this is just our closet area. This is her side, and this is my side. She has so many more clothes than me. But yeah, that's just all of hers. This is all of mine. So that's it. These are just our towels. This is hers, this is mine, and like my robe and stuff like that. And now we'll go into the actual room part. I mean, we are in the actual room, but like that was boring. This is just an overview of my entire room. This is my side, this is Kennedy's side. It's a lot bigger than my room last year, which is really, really nice. The ceilings are higher, which makes it feel a lot bigger. We're just gonna go on Kennedy's side really quick first, because I'm not gonna go in depth of like where she got all of her stuff, because it's hers, not mine, and it's like my dorm tour. I don't know. That's just how I'm gonna do it, whatever. So basically you come over right here, and this is her desk. She has pictures right here, and this, which she actually made herself. She's very artsy, I'm not as much. And then she just has all of her little trinkets, her cart. This is her bed. This is Kennedy's bed. She has all these vines. Those are from Urban Outfitters, I know that. And then she has this, which is like the cutest thing ever. She has all her Polaroids, and then this little lightning bolt that she got off Amazon, and I'm really jealous because I really like that. So that's basically Kennedy's side, and now we'll move over to my side, which is over here. So first I just have this cart. This is from Target. I got it last year. I basically have all of my toiletries, lotion, acne stuff, and then I have my makeup right here, my hairbrushes, and then just like my literal tampons at the bottom. Underneath my bed, I have my dresser with like a lot of my clothes, but this just has some more clothes, towels, random stuff, and then some of my food. This on my bed, this is what is it called? Oh, a bed caddy. I got it last year because my bed was lofted, so I didn't want to come back down, like bring my laptop and stuff all the way down every time I came down from my bed. But I just bought it this year because it's kind of the same thing. I can just put my laptop and like my glasses in it, whatever, so I don't have to get out of bed. This is my bed. Welcome to my bed. Okay, first off, I have these lights right here. I had these last year too. Okay, well, that one's burnt out. Anyways, I had these last year. These are from Target, and they're my favorite thing ever. I literally think they're so cute. Like industrial style, kind of. And they're the brightest thing at night when you light them up, so they're really nice. These vines that I have hanging up right here, this is 1 pack of vines. When you saw Kennedy's over there, she bought like 5 packs of vines to fill up her whole wall. This is 1 pack, and it was only $12 off Urban Outfitters, so highly recommend that. I just hung them up with command hooks, and then I also like intertwined these fairy lights right here. These are from Amazon. I've had them since last year too. They're really nice because they're plug-ins, so they don't run out of battery or anything. Yeah, they just go through the vines, and then I kind of had them come over to here. I just kind of leave them through my bed because I like when it's like bright at night, so I don't have to go turn all the lights off in my room. I can just turn those off. This is my Polaroid wall. These are all of my Polaroids. Actually, I don't think they're all of them. If you haven't seen my video, you should go watch it. I took 100 Polaroids in one day with my roommate Kennedy and my other roommate Katie. That was over the summer. You should go watch that if you haven't, because that's where a lot of these were taken. This is from Target, my comforter. I got it last year. I didn't want to buy a new one because that's such a waste of money when like it's a twin XL, and I'm never going to use this again because next year I'll be in a house and we won't have a twin size bed. And then this blanket right here, everybody asked me where this is from. This throw blanket is from Amazon. I think it was like literally $10. So, and then my sheets, my navy sheets are also from Amazon. And then this body pillow is also from Target. And my stool right here is from Walmart. Now if we come over here, I just have my backpack down here and my Hydro Flask. And right here I just have like 3 Polaroids. I didn't know how to put them on my Polaroid wall without making it look weird because I only have 3 big ones. And that's literally it. They're just from when I went to New York. And it looks kind of self-centered because they're all of me and I hate that. But I didn't know where else to put them, and they're cute, so I didn't want to like waste them. Come over to my desk right here. These shelves like came with the bed, and obviously the bed came with the dorm. I didn't pay for them, but I really like them. They're one of my favorite parts. So right in my shelves, we'll start over here. I have just my Polaroid camera. I have these 2 picture frames, and they actually like, if you shake them, they like, I don't know how to do it. They like do that. I don't really know. I've never done that before actually in my life. I don't know where those are from. Well, anyways, you put your Polaroids in them. So yeah, these are 2 of my other Polaroids. Look how cute that is. This cat came onto my porch and I took a picture of it. Not my cat. We don't have outdoor cats. And then that's me. And Kennedy's holding my hand right there, not my boyfriend. Oh, I am? Yeah, you're holding my hand. And then this C thing right here, I got this from Ross, which if you don't know what that is, it's like a TJ Maxx or a Marshall's. It's like the same thing as that, so it's like really cheap. And then if you come up here, I have these 3 little plants, and those are all from IKEA. They came in a pack together. And then over here in my other bin, I have just some folders, and then these are like planners and notebook. This is just a tissue box, obviously. And this has like all my earrings and stuff in it, and it's the cutest thing ever. I got it from the thrift store. I actually got it from Goodwill. And if you don't know, I like love seashells, hence my like Instagram username, Coral Seashell. So that's why I bought that. Oh yeah, all this stuff right here is from Target, by the way. And then this just has my makeup brushes in it right here. I've literally had this since like freshman year of high school, and it's from World Market. And then these lights right here, Kennedy actually gave me them last year for Secret Santa. These lights are from Forever 21, and they're really short, but I think they look so cute right here. And then if you go up here, we have this, but you need to blur that out because it's inappropriate for the viewers. This is from Target. We'll censor that because it's inappropriate for the family-friendly channel. Hey guys. Now we'll go over to my desk. This crate right here is from Home Goods, and I just had nothing to put on my desk, and all my roommates had them, so I just had them buy me one and I Venmo'd them. This plant right here and the basket are both from IKEA, and then this clock is also from IKEA. I literally don't even have the batteries in it, so it doesn't work. Literally doesn't work at all, and I'm never getting batteries for it, so that's just for decoration. So obviously I would never even use that. I don't even know how to read it. And then this lamp right here is from Target. I just got this because it's so dark at my desk when the sun goes down. Even like right now, it's pretty dark over here, and this is the brightest thing ever. Under here, I just have my dry shampoo. These 2 mason jars. This just has my scrunchies in it, and then this just has like my barrettes. And then this is from Target from like 50 years ago. It's just like a piggy bank, but elephants are my favorite animal, so I love that. It used to be pink, but I spray painted it. Actually, my dad did, so thanks, Dad. And then this is just my bullet journal and my laptop, obviously my AirPods, Flex. This mirror right here, I just got this to do my makeup and stuff at my desk. I can't, I'm stuttering, I'm talking so fast. It's from IKEA, and I love this, it's so cute. And then this right here, everyone asked me what this is. It's actually a phone charger. It's from Amazon. My mom got it last year for me for Christmas. It's the cutest thing, watch. Look at it? Isn't that so good? That's the cutest thing. Okay, anyways, obviously under here, I just have stuff in that drawer for like school stuff, and then those are all my books at the bottom. Okay, and now I'll come over to this right here on my wall, and this is just obviously 2 picture frames. My friend gave this to me for like a graduation present or something, and all these pictures are so old. This frame right here, this is from Hobby Lobby. I made this. It just came with the frame, and then I actually made this. And then we'll come over here. So right here, this is like the main focal point of the corner. Me and Kennedy knew we wanted to get this. Last year it was so annoying. Like, well, last year we had a full body mirror that came with the room, but it was really small. We knew we wanted like a bigger one. I bought this for us that we both use, and actually all my roommates use it. This mirror is from IKEA, and it was only $50, and I feel like these mirrors are usually like $100, so it's pretty cheap, and it's like really nice quality, and it doesn't like disform your body or morph your body, whatever that is. And then right here, I just have this basket. I've had this at my house since I was like 5 years old, so I don't know where this is from. And then over here, we have these pictures, and when people come over here, when I show my friends my room, they were like, where'd you get those? But me and Kennedy just printed them out. They're all from what, Pinterest? Yep. Yeah, Kennedy found all of them off Pinterest, and we just printed them out with a colored printer, obviously. We want to get more so we can fill up more of the space, but for right now, we don't have a color printer at school, so we can't. I think it looks cute like this anyways. If you watch a lot of YouTube, a lot of people have like that Tezza wall decoration kit, which is basically this, but you pay like $70 for it. But we literally just printed them out offline, so that was like free. And then this over here is just, I don't even know what this is. Like, I literally don't know what it is, but it's just like a seashell thing. And like I said before, I love seashells because hence my Instagram username again. Don't follow me. This is probably supposed to be for like a beach house, but I thought it was really cute, and it's from Ross. And then lastly, over here, we have just this command hook, and I have all my bags hanging up. This is just my Polaroid camera, and then this is from Urban Outfitters. Literally the only purse that I own because I don't use purses. And then this is just my like Fial Raven Kanken. I don't know how to pronounce that. They're all kind of cute, so I just hung them on the hook, and I didn't have anywhere else to put them. And you come back to the main door of our actual room, and that's it. So that is basically my entire dorm room. Like I said, the only thing that I didn't finish is we want to get more pictures by that mirror. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite part about it. Don't tell me if you hated it because I'll be offended and I'll probably cry. So, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you, Kennedy, for filming this video from behind. She's staring at me right now. Okay, and that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bye. What else do you want me to say? Bye. Oh, they think about you. Oh, they think about you.